Environmental movement. A government agenda originally used to ensure the longevity of resources used by our country found in our environment. Once the movement became supported by the public, the protection of resources shifted from ensuring availability for use to protection for educational purposes, public health, and sustainability. The movement gained traction and leverage after tragic events all throughout its existence and continues to do so today. Acts being backed by the environmental movement at the time directly correlate with harmful societal actions. Air and water pollution has created nearly irreversible damage that can be catastrophic to humans, plants, and animals. This fact was at the center of the environmental movement's first push, led to the Federal Water Pollution Control Act, which was amended in 1956, 1965, and 1972. All amendments resulted in the government's authority in regards to water pollution control to be broadened. The first U.S. Conference on Air Pollution, in 1950, stemmed from the tragic loss of 20 and the hospitalization of over 600 on October 30th and 31st of 1948, which was the result of sulfur dioxide emissions from a nearby steel and water plant in Donora, Pennsylvania. Oil spills are detrimental to the areas that they occur in and can cause excruciatingly bad effects to the environment and the organisms that live in said environment. The Santa Barbara oil spill was caused by Unocal Corp., a Union Oil company based in California. During 1969, on January 28, the oil rig Unocal, based in the Santa Barbara Channel, had a blowout that spilled 3 million gallons of oil into the channel. This blowout was a big factor in starting a fire under the butts of the legislators to get legalizations and regulations passed to regulate the extraction of oil. The Exxon oil spill, which occurred on March 24, 1989, is said to be one of the worst kind of disasters, killing almost 2,000 sea otters, 302 harbor seals, over 250,000 birds, and contaminating over 1,300 kilometers of coastline. The first major thing that brought the life of the world into the view of the individual's eyes was both Jacques Cousteau's movie The Silent World and Rachel Carson's book Silent Spring. With both of these out, it brought the full spectrum of what we were and are currently doing to the environment we live in. It put what we were doing in perspective of what we were damaging, and it changed people's hearts and made them angry with the government for allowing this pollution to occur in their backyards. With all these people in a rage, it helped get people in power, moving to get regulations put in place to fix or clean up what has already been done. Even with these legislators passing regulations, there are still slip-ups and mechanical errors that happened. With these slip-ups that occur, we harm the environment, whether it be intentional or unintentional. The environmental movement still has a lot to accomplish. Let's hope that it doesn't take a repeat of past events to spark public interest and support of the movement.